Tonight we're gonna cook. First, open the rice gas. The name of the dish is mozzarella squid. So if the pan is hot, put cooking oil in the pan. A little bit.
Pow!
After that, we put garlic, onion. After we put the onion and garlic, we put the main dish, squid, o sa Tagalog, pusit, sa Bisaya, lumayagan. Put it. We put ginger. And then we close the nomination. We wait until the squid is boiling the boiling pan.
Gago!
We put the seasoning. Soy sauce, silver swan, dato puti, pepper, magic sarap, and oyster sauce. And now we're gonna make another dish. This is called pancit guisado. We put cooking oil. A little bit. So after that, you put the garlic and onion. You put the main dish, pancit. Add seasoning, soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, nor chicken. Put a little bit of water. Our dish. Then pusit. This is called mozzarella squid. This is pancit guisado a la Marvin.